Good morning, fourth graders. I hope we only have a couple of days of doing this distance learning, but let's make the best of it. So here's what we're doing today in math. We're going to be working on what does it mean in math when there is a number next to a letter or a variable. And you'll probably want to have your multiplication chart. You can use this one here, and I've included those on our slides. What we have here is our number 4 next to t. And we need to know that when we don't see anything in between the number and the letter, it means we're going to multiply. That's why we have our chart here. We'll take 4, and we know that t is 12. It's telling us that here. 4 times 12. You can go down your 4, stop when you get to your 12. So we would evaluate this. We would simplify it to make it 48. On this one, we learned last Friday that we'd have to do the parentheses first. H is 9. We're going to go 4 times 9, and we'll get 36, and we'll add 6 to that and get 42. On our third slide, do what's inside our parentheses first. 9, and r is 3, so 9 times 3 is 27. Subtract 6, 21. On our next slide, we have to do what's in parentheses here, but we have two variables. But no, each time we see our variable, it's going to be the number 4. We're going to take 9 times 4 and get 36 and add 3. That'll give us 39 for what's inside the parentheses, but we have to go back and add 4 to that. So 39 plus 4 is 43. And on our last example, we have some division here. We're going to do what's inside the parentheses first. 6 times 12. This one's kind of a hard one. 6 times 12. All right, that's 72. And then I have to take 96 and divide it by 12. And if you don't like division, turn around and make it multiplication. So go to 96 here under our 12s column and come across, realize, oh, that's 8. So it'll be 8 plus the 72 we had here, and that'll end up being 80. All right, so for work today, hopefully you can find somebody in your house to play algebra baseball. You just need to find a die in your house somewhere, or you can find a digital die and just roll it and evaluate the expressions. So in this case, x, let's say I rolled a 6, I'd rewrite my expression. I'd go 4 times 6 plus 8. And put your answer right there. What would that be worth? Okay, and you can play it as baseball if you have somebody at home to play with you. You're going to evaluate these expressions as well. Know that we have division here, right? And if you don't like division, turn around and make it multiplication. That should work for you. And then we have our homework that we're going to try to get done. You guys can turn it in on Thursday when you get back. I hope you guys have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions.